Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial of complete guide to Windows 10. In this video we are going to explore the Windows 10 settings. So let's start the video. Windows 10 settings are actually spread across a couple of different menus, but the main settings can be accessed by clicking the Start menu button, where you should see them pinned in the folder list. If not, you can search for settings using the Windows 10 search bar. You can pin the settings icon to the taskbar or Start menu for easier access. The first one is Main System Settings. Here you can find settings and options for things like the display, notifications, apps, power and storage. The About section contains lots of information about the hardware in your computer as well as the operating system software version being used. The next is External Device Settings. This is where you come to manage all of your connected devices, from printers and scanners to your mouse and keyboard. Related settings are also found here, including Bluetooth and touchpad settings if you are using a laptop. The next one is Phone Sync Settings. A new addition with the Fall Creators update is the ability to link your Windows, Android or iOS phone to your PC and share documents, files and data more easily between them. This section of the settings let you set up the phone sync and manage it afterwards. The next one is Network and Internet Settings. If you are having problems with your internet connection, this is where you should come to find details and information. Everything from internet option to flight mode and firewall setting can be found here. Each section contains link to more advanced options. Next one is Personalization Settings. Nearly everything about the way Windows looks can be customized to some degree. Personalization settings include options for changing the desktop wallpaper, colors of menu, and Windows lock screen settings and the theme management tools. Next one is App Settings. This is where you can find details on all of the apps you have installed on your Windows 10 computer. The main list shows you the name, file size, developer and the date it was installed or updated. You can also set up app preferences here, so which apps are used to complete certain tasks. The next one is Account Settings. Account Settings contains all of the options you need for managing your local Microsoft account. This includes the secure sign-in options such as password, PIN and picture password, as well as the new dynamic lock settings, workplace or school access settings and Microsoft Family settings. The next one is time and language settings. In addition to the obvious settings for the time and date displayed on your computer, this is where you come to change the display and input language for your computer. The next one is gaming settings, a new addition to the settings with the recent update. Here you will find the newly added gaming tools. This include a game recorded, the tools for broadcasting your games, and the game mode option. This helps you to optimize any game you play on your PC. The next one is ease of access settings, previously called accessibility. If you have additional accessibility needs to use a computer efficiently, you can find lots of settings here to make life easier. From a narrator tool and screen magnifier to closed captioning and mouse and keyboard settings. You can even make the cursor thicker and easier to see. The next one is search settings. Now that search and Cortana have been split apart, there is a new group of settings for search. Here you can control safe search settings, cloud search content, and your search history. You can also control what is searched, all files or just libraries and desktop. Next one is privacy settings. The privacy settings contain sections for all of the main areas where your privacy may be compromised, including some which might not be obvious at first. Click on each of the section headings to see additional settings and options. And the last one is update and security settings. It is important to make sure that your Windows computer is up to date with all the latest updates and revisions. Within this settings menu, you can check to see which updates are available to download and install. You can also create backups and recovery disks here. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful and informative, then please like and share the video, and also subscribe the channel so you don't miss any new video. And don't forget to comment your queries.